Okay, this is the great part of where I love cooking, is actually get to eating the food. This one is our hummus with eggplant, just going on there. I might put a little bit of basil pesto on the other side, just for a bit of colour, variation. Okay, on the other one, I'm going to put a little bit of miso mango mayonnaise. And with that one, I'm going to use cold salmon. Just grab a fresh spoon. This is the cold salmon, smoked salmon and smoked paprika dip. And we're going to have lovely breads, garlic bread, obviously a bit of antipasto going on there. And then the last one we're going to do is we're going to do a garlic aioli. I'm going to put that in a champagne glass. And next time you see that, it'll be surrounded with breads. So that's our garlic aioli. So if you have a look at our dips, we've got our salmon, smoked salmon and smoked paprika dip. We've got our miso mayonnaise, miso mango mayonnaise. We've got our basil pesto. We've got our hummus with our eggplant, and we've got our garlic aioli. And next minute you'll see us going out and cracking a bottle of champagne and enjoying the festive, beautiful weather we have here in New Zealand. Thank you very much everyone for joining, and look forward to seeing you next time. Good eating, good dining, goodbye. It was fantastic out here. Look at that, beautiful. Lovely antipasto platter for the lovely ladies. Here we go ladies. Breads, dips and fresh breads coming.
It's beautiful, it's delicious.
Some breads, we've got our garlic aioli, our lovely garlic bread, some nice ciabatta, nice Turkish bread to go with our lovely dips. Putting them down. And what better to have with lovely, can I pass it over to you, Tarns Bananas? This is Tarns Bananas, this is lovely day.
Delicious.
Nice bit of bubbly, eh? Nice day for it. A little bit of Lindau. Thank you for the sponsorship, Lindau. Lovely breads dipping in.
Wow.
Is that Bubbles Cats over there, Reese? we got Bubbles.
It's delicious.
Is that good? How good is it? So good?
Oh, good.
Awesome, that's what we like to hear. Cameraman's dribbling. He's got this big... Oh, shit! I hope you got that. That's for teasing the cameraman. That's an explosive champers going on there. Nice bit of Lindau. Fresh.
Wow.
How good's the food? We've got a bit of groaning going on, food. That's good. Food must be good. Everyone's starting to groan. Bon appetit, everyone. See you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.